Let's keep it between me and you, baby. Cause every little thing that we do should be between me and you. The freaky things that we do. Let's keep it between me and you, baby.
Don't let the word get out, baby. This is strictly between me and you, baby. If they knew we were doing what we were doing, it probably ruined our previous way. Somewhere it get good and I love the way we get away, throw away a whole day, turn off the pages and phones, we in the zone like alive. We live life. This is our life. Live your life.
See, every time that I'm alone with you, shorty be checking up on you. But if you you got a lot of freaking you, baby.
Ay, Dios mío. She's right, you know. She's right. I see you looking at me. Nothing but space and opportunity. I need to fix this one, yikes. Ay, Dios mío.